Hey guys, it's me, Tictok. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we have a day in the life of a makeup artist. Like, you guys know that already. But in my last vlog, I mentioned Beauty Bundle Friday. Basically, between me, Tazaria, and Roletta, we have a $200 bundle where you can get a soft glam, a traditional quick weave, simple short nail set, all for $200. Only on Fridays, right? And we only take 5 people on Friday. So that's what we have going on today. Obviously it's Friday, and today is really our first official day of Beauty Bundle Friday. And so far we have one client. So you're just gonna come along today and see how that goes. Okay, so I'm obviously inside. So I'm just gonna get set up for my day. Y'all just gonna watch me get set up. Hey guys, so I didn't vlog anything yesterday, anything after what y'all saw. Like, I edited my YouTube video that should be out by whenever you see this, that video is definitely going to be out, so definitely watch. I'm gonna add it in the cards. And then I edited my short form video as well. Ended up having one guest come for the bundle. So that was interesting. It was really fun. It was quite nice. I was really proud of us. I'm really proud of everything that we've been doing. And then we made a TikTok, and that ended up blowing up too. I'm gonna add the TikTok in here. So I'm gonna be adding on to this vlog. I think I'm just gonna make it like throughout the weekend, because yeah. So I have one appointment today at 5, and it's like 1 something, about to be 12ish, but I need to go shopping for some products. Like, I've been really dragging that out. I need to go shopping. I want to go to this place like called Outlets. Basically like an outlet store. And I saw on TikTok that they had some makeup. So I want to go see if I can get some makeup from there, like my little Maybelline stuff. And then I have to go get powders from Sephora, and I have to return the Shein package. So we're going to be doing that before my appointment. So that's why I'm getting ready now. To know me is to know I am a Converse girly. So of course I was putting on the phone. Okay guys, so I did get here. I got a cart. As soon as you walk in, it's like right in this section. Oh look, and it's the foundation is right there. I'm actually gonna get it because I really need foundation. For $3.59. I don't use Super Stay, but I hear it's good. I'm looking for $3.60 because I'm out of $3.60. So they didn't have anything in there. So I'm gonna leave. I'm gonna go find Sephora and Ulta. I just got somebody trying to come in for 3 o'clock. Pick up what I need to pick up there, I guess, because that was a waste of time. I'm so sad. It looked like they had more from this video, but waste of time. They had some powders. They had a lot of things for dark-skinned women, which I should have picked some stuff up. I should have. I'll come back another day, maybe. But I'm gonna see if they got a Sephora Ulta around this place. So guys, I'm back on my suite. It's like 2:30ish. Back at the suite. Just got here. Luckily, I already have some stuff set up. Let me show you guys what I restocked. First, we have Sephora. The Huda Beauty Blondie. Then I got Huda Beauty Pound Cake. This one is lighter and it's not at like a yellow tint, obviously. Ulta did not have foundation I used. So right across the street there is a CVS. I got this for me. I loved this lip balm. So for my clients, everywhere I went, they didn't have shade 360. They had shade 362. So we're gonna have to do what it do. I'm gonna mix this shade 362 in with this. And then I was running out of this. Oh, it's the fan? Oh, okay. We'll let it dry a little bit. I like it. It's so pretty. I love it. Like, you look so good. And it's just enough smoky.
Yeah,
right. It's not too
much. Yeah.
Right.
I love it. Yeah.
It's gonna eat. We're gonna go viral.
And then I got this receipt when I booked it the first time.
Okay, yeah. Perfect. Because I was about to do that. All right,
and then you got the Zelle, right?
Yes.
All right. Thank you.
It's 5:56. I finished that in less than an hour. Literally like in 45 minutes. What was I gonna say? Yeah, so this is the second time that someone's paid fully online and I never checked to see like if they did like beforehand. And they're like, oh, like, because she wanted a smoky eye. And I'm like, that's a signature Glam, that's not a soft Glam. And so she's like, okay, so I just send you the difference. And I'm like, you paid already? She's like, yeah, I paid on the website. I didn't even know I had an option to. I'm like, oh yeah, you do have the option to. She's like, okay. I believed her. This is her second time coming to me. She came to me on her birthday. My cup broke. My cup broke as soon as I came in here. Aggravated. But this is, and I'm just like, okay. So before she just left, she was like, here's like, I paid. I'm like, okay. She's like, this is the receipt they gave me. I'm like, okay. I believed her, but I need to start checking. So actually, let's go do that now because I have a couple appointments coming up. That is going to be the ending of this vlog. Thank you so much for watching this. Please like, share, comment, share, and subscribe. If you're ever in for a lot of that area and you're looking for a makeup artist, you can book with me. My information is going to be down below. Every Friday here at the beauty room, we have a $200 deal where you're able to get a traditional quick weave, a soft lamp, and a short and simple nail set. Nothing like this, but this is the work of the nail tech. You'll see in the vlog. So just know that you're going to get right here at the beauty room. The information is also going to be in the bio as well. Yeah, that was my day. What my days are like. I'll be back here tomorrow. Maybe I'll vlog tomorrow too. Who knows? I'm about to go home.